Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for making cleaning as effortless and time-efficient as possible. I'm Kelly, and I'm lazy when it comes to cleaning, especially the bathroom. Today, we've got a special treat for all you laid-back folks out there who would rather be soaking in the bathtub than scrubbing it. Today, we're going to talk about 7 all-natural methods for cleaning your bathroom, the lazy way. This is perfect for those who prefer a relaxed approach to tidying up, especially in the bathroom. But before we jump headfirst into the world of lazy bathroom cleaning methods, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future cleaning hacks. Please take care to know what types of surfaces you have in your particular bathroom. Some of the cleaning methods discussed in today's video may not be suitable for all surfaces. For sure, you're going to want to hang in until the end for a bonus idea that will revolutionize your bathroom cleaning game. Now let's get started. First up, we have a method that not only gets the job done, but also leaves your bathroom smelling like a citrus paradise. Citrus magic. Lazy cleaners, this one's for you. Grab yourself an old citrus peel or even a leftover lemon, cut it in half and start scrubbing surfaces like your sink and countertops. The natural acids in citrus fruits work wonders at breaking down grime, and the fresh scent is an added bonus. Lemons are slightly more acidic than oranges, so they do a slightly better job of taking care of soap scum and bathroom grime. Please share this video with someone you know who is lazy when it comes to bathroom cleaning. They'll thank you for it. This is so easy, even the laziest person can do it. Just a little citrus magic, and your bathroom will be sparkling in no time. Warning! Do not use this method on natural stone surfaces. The acidity in the citrus may damage the surface of the stone. Now let's talk about a lazy shower solution that packs a punch. Vinegar Shower Power. For all you lazy shower enthusiasts out there, this one's a game changer. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and you most likely have it in your pantry. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle, and you've got yourself a powerful shower cleaner. It leaves a streak-free shine, and it eliminates odors too. The acidity of vinegar cuts through soap scum and grime with ease. It also helps to inhibit the growth of mold. Simply spray it on your shower walls, glass doors, and fixtures. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse away the dirt. Lazy cleaning has never been so satisfying. Plus, you're left with a sparkling clean shower that requires very little effort. Be careful not to use this method if you have natural stone in your shower. The acidity of the vinegar can damage the surface of the stone. Moving on to our third lazy method, and this one involves a household staple, baking soda. We're talking baking soda bliss, folks. This method is also environmentally friendly and low cost. It's something you most likely have in your kitchen. Sprinkle some baking soda in your toilet bowl, on your bathroom tiles, or even in the sink. Let it sit for a few minutes and then wipe or rinse it away. The gentle, abrasive nature of baking soda works wonders on stains, and it requires minimal elbow grease. It also helps to deodorize. Lazy cleaning at its finest! And now, my friends, let's add a touch of elegance to your relaxed cleaning routine with our fourth method, Essential Oil Elegance. All right, my laid-back cleaning buddies, it's time to make your bathroom not just clean, but also a relaxing haven. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, whether it's lavender, eucalyptus, or peppermint, to a spray bottle filled with water. Use it as an air freshener to elevate your bathroom experience. With very little effort, you can turn your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. It's lazy cleaning with a touch of luxury. Hey, my fellow lazy cleaners, for our fifth method, let's tackle a commonly overlooked area, the shower curtain. We're introducing the Shower Curtain Refresh, a lazy yet effective way to keep things looking pristine. Take your shower curtain down and toss it in the washing machine with a couple of towels. Take the hooks down too and soak them in a sink full of hot water, a little vinegar, and a sprinkle of baking soda. This will bubble away any grime that may be stuck to them. Add a cup of baking soda to the washer to help break down any soap scum or mildew on the shower curtain. This will also help to eliminate any nasty odors that may have developed. The towels act as gentle scrubbers, ensuring a thorough cleaning without any effort on your part. Once the cycle is complete, hang the curtain back up and spread it to dry. Voila! a refreshed shower curtain without the hassle of scrubbing or the expense of replacing it. Lazy cleaning, just hit the refresh button. Method 6 is lazy air purification. Let's talk about the air you breathe in your bathroom. It's a hands-free approach to maintaining a pleasant atmosphere without the need for constant effort. Introducing lazy air purification, an easy method to keep the air fresh without any fancy gadgets. Place a small bowl of activated charcoal or baking soda in a discreet corner of your bathroom. These natural odor absorbers will passively filter out unwanted smells and keep your bathroom air clean and fresh. Lazy cleaning just got a breath of fresh air. Lazy cleaners, let's not forget about the often neglected bathroom floor. With our 7th method, Lazy Floor Revival, we're turning mundane into magnificent without any backbreaking work. Grab a mop, mix equal parts of hot water and distilled white vinegar in a bucket, and add a few drops of your preferred essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. The vinegar acts as a gentle disinfectant, while the essential oil adds a refreshing fragrance. Mop your bathroom floor with this simple solution, and watch as it effortlessly revives and shines, leaving your floor looking as good as new. Lazy cleaning just rolled out the red carpet for your bathroom floor. And now, for our bonus method, why don't we get creative with our lazy cleaning arsenal? Let's make a toilet bomb deodorizer, a little fizzy magic for your bathroom. My laid-back buddies, this one is both effective and entertaining. It's also eco-friendly and uses common household ingredients. Whisk together 1 cup of baking soda and 1/4 cup of citric acid. It's best to use a whisk for this to break up any lumps. In a cup, mix 1 tablespoon water with 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. For some extra fun, add a couple of drops of food coloring. Slowly mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients to avoid fizzing. Add a bit more water if needed so the mixture sticks together. Form small balls with the mixture and let them dry overnight on a plate or baking sheet. Drop one of these toilet bombs into your toilet bowl and watch it fizz away, stains and odors. It's like a mini spa treatment for your toilet without any scrubbing involved. Store your supply of toilet bombs in an airtight container in the bathroom vanity or on a shelf for easy access. Lazy cleaning just got a whole lot more fun. Let us know in the comments what your favorite lazy cleaning method was. Do you have any lazy bathroom cleaning tips of your own? What would you like to see in future videos? We'd love to hear from you. Click here for more lazy cleaning ideas. If you have found value in this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our lazy cleaning tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.